Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to link CMS in Framer. If you have built a list but clicking a card does nothing, this is the fix. Now let's get your dynamic site working. Step 1. Create the CMS detail page. First, you need a destination. Go to your pages panel on the left. Then, click the plus icon and select New CMS page. Choose the collection you want to link. Framer will automatically create a template page for you that works for every single item in that collection. Step 2. The collection list link. Now, head back to your main page where your collection list is located. Then, select the main wrapper of your collection item. This is usually the frame or component that acts as your card. In the properties panel on the right, look for the link section. Click the link icon. And under Page, select your newly created CMS detail page. Step 3. Dynamic variables. Once you're on that detail page template, select a text layer, like the title. Then in the right sidebar, click the plus icon next to the content property. Then link it to your CMS field, like title or slug. Now when you switch between items in the top bar, you will see the page content swap out instantly. Step 4. Testing and slugs. Finally, hit preview. Click any item in your list, and it should take you to its specific detail page, and if it feels broken, double check your slugs in the CMS panel. Every item needs a unique URL path to work properly. And that's how you build a scalable, dynamic site in Framer. Once you master this, you can build everything from blogs and portfolios without ever having to design the same page twice. It's a total game changer for your workflow. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.